مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيب.
Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we'll learn about the 10 sunnahs of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Number 1 is doing wudu before sleeping. Number 2 is to sleep on your right side. And don't forget to recite sleeping prayer before going to sleep. That is Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Number 3 is to drink water in 3 gulps. Number 4 is doing maswak. It is good for our health. Number 5 is to smile and live happy. Number 6 is to visit sick person and say la basatahuru insha'Allah. Number 7 is to say Bismillah before doing anything. Number 8 is always be honest. For example, if you did something wrong, then you should accept your mistake. Number 9 is to forgive others. If someone is embarrassed on his mistake, you should also forget about it. That's good for both parties. Number 10 is to help others whenever you see someone is in trouble. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.